6161.
Apat.
Aba, ano ka na lang?
68.75.
7, the number 7. 4949.
875?
Aha. Omo.
1919.
Omo. Oh.
4, the number 4.
Oh.
3131. 3525. All to your cards, we are impossible.
Napakatagal, oh. Napakatagal. Wala akong free. 1,500 to, oh.
Last call for you, triple, last call.
Walang on tinatawag, isa lang. Sunod-sunod mo't natawag, eh, oh.
Anak, hindi na lang yung huli.
Walang free.
Serial number check. 7, 17, 35 last, free space and 61. That is one good winner.
Wala pa naman ako.
Do we have any others? If not, we are closing this game. One good winner, paid on lucky winner, $1,500. Congratulations. All right, folks, go ahead and pull out that triple. Last call, triple.
Ayaw. Ayaw lumabas yung putin para...
Sir, let me know when you're ready. Alright. We're playing your triple, see my hands. We'll link up in 3 straights and all 3 quad straights. Only first 3 numbers out will be wild. Your first good number, your number. G48, 524, and G50. Mark out all numbers ending in 0, 4, and 8.
700.
This is the last call for that double action, last call. If you need a double action, raise your money up. So let's go on for last call.
May mga games pa.
Wala na malalaki, eh. Yun na lang wili. Wala kasi akong pre.